I let's discuss the solution of the given integral. Here, what is the given integral? Integral cos of 2 cot inverse square root of 1 minus x by 1 plus x dx. Here in the given integral, what is the integrand? Cos of 2 cot inverse square root of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Clearly, this is a inverse trigonometric function. Now, first we will simplify the integrand and then we will evaluate the given integral. First, let me take the integrand here. Cos of bracket open 2 cot inverse square root of 1 minus x by 1 plus x bracket close. This is the given integrand. Clearly, in the given integrand, there is a square root of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. Whenever you are facing these type of fractions under the root, definitely you have to substitute x equals to cos 2 theta. Now, let me substitute and then simplify. Here x equals to cos 2 theta. Right? In the next step, which is equals to cos of 2 cot inverse under the root 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. Right, close. Here in the next step, which is equals to cos of 2 cot inverse under the root of, see here whenever we have 1, first we will try to eliminate 1 by using the formula of cos 2 theta. What is the formula of cos 2 theta? See, there are two formulas are there for cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta equals to one formula is 2 cos square theta minus 1 and another formula is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now I requires minus 1, so I am going to apply the second formula in the numerator and denominator first formula. So here directly instead of writing formula here, so 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, minus minus plus, we are getting a 2 sin square theta after getting the cancel of 1. Now in the denominator also we are getting 2 cos square theta minus 1 plus 1 gets cancelled, finally 2 cos square theta remains. Let me write here 2 cos square theta, 2 cos square theta. Now 2 gets cancelled, there is a under root of tan square theta sin square theta by cos square theta equals to tan square theta. So under square root of tan square theta equal to tan theta. So finally I am getting which is equals to cos of bracket open, here let me write bracket 2 cot inverse. Here what we are getting? Tan theta we are getting. Let me write tan theta here clearly, tan theta. Right, close. See in the next step, which is equals to cos of 2 cot inverse, right? Here we have already one formula, cot inverse of cot theta equals to theta. Now I am going to write in terms of cot theta, tan theta. So tan theta in terms of cot theta is cot of pi by 2 minus theta. So tan theta equals to cot of pi by 2 minus theta. So I wrote now cot inverse of cot form. So cot inverse of cot theta equals to theta. So here theta is pi by 2 minus theta. So which is equals to cos of 2, here cot inverse of cot theta means pi by 2 minus theta. Now which is equals to cos of, here we are getting 2 into pi by 2, pi minus 2 theta. Now finally I am getting cos pi minus theta means cos 2 theta, right? Here pi is there, cos is going to become cos only, cos 2 theta, pi minus in the second quadrant cos is negative, minus cos 2 theta. So this is what we are getting a simplified final function after simplifying the given integrand. But what is our assumption? X equals to cos 2 theta, so which is equals to minus x. Therefore the given integral I equals to integral, what is the integrand here? Minus x dx, which is equals to minus x square by 2 plus c. This is the final conclusion. Now let's compare with the given options. What are the given options here? Minus x square by 2 plus c and x, this is the correct option. Rest of the options are incorrect. So at last, what is the key concept we applied here in this question? Here simply we applied substitution. Substitution means they have given inverse trigonometric function. In that function there is a square root of 1 minus x by 1 plus x. So whenever you are facing 1 minus x by 1 plus x, definitely you have to substitute x equals to cos theta so that we can eliminate 1. Finally we got the integrand as a minus x, then we evaluated the given integral. Thanks for watching. All the best.